Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little box. So let me show you. It's not really a box, it's kind of like a cracker or a popper is what they call them, I guess. They're very popular at Christmas time, but they would be great for like a party at a table setting. So let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to use a little something for you from the Fancy Phrases. And then I just have a scrap piece of white paper, some Misty Moonlight, because that goes very well with the patterned paper here. We're going to be using this side. I also have this punch here that we're going to be using. And then some bumblebee ribbon with the gingham ribbon. And then the last piece we need is just a scoreboard or a trimmer with a score plate on it. And you got to figure out which way you want this to go. So I want it to go with the flowers kind of going around. So this is a 6x6 piece of paper. So I'm going to go ahead and score at every 1.5 inches. Okay. So you're going to score at 1.5. You're going to score at 3. You're going to score at 4.5. Well, I did not do that correctly, did I? Yes, I did. Okay. Yep, that is correct. I was like, well, how am I going to score at 6? So you've got 3 score lines, so you'll have 4 different sides. And then on this one, I'm going to go in and again at 1. We're going to go at 1.5 on this as well. This can all be changed up on this particular one. Just make sure you're doing it at the right size. So I'm going to do a 1.5 on this side as well. And then we're going to go ahead like that. Like that. And like that. So you'll see it'll make a nice little box there. And then we're going to go here and here. Okay. So once we get all of that done, we're just going to go and kind of accordion that. We're going to take this side, we're going to flip it down like that. Then we're going to get out our trimmers and we are going to cut a triangle. And then we're going to flip it over and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to kind of do that same triangle. Right? So we've got that there. We're going to do the same thing on this side. And if you're not sure about these triangles, just put that right there and you'll be able to know exactly. So you want to go from here to there. And then we're going to flip it around. We're going to do the same thing here. Okay. So now we open this guy up. We've got this nice little pattern here. And we are going to take our stamp and seal. And we're just going to put this right on this edge. On one of them, and you can do it up here as well, wherever you'd like to glue, but we're going to want these to all be sticking together on this other side. So you're going to make a triangle here. Keep that nice and straight. And now you've got a triangle, see there? So we're going to take our bumblebee ribbon and you're going to tie it. Now you can tie it in a bow, you could tie it in just a knot, however you'd like. For time's sake, I'm just going to tie it in a nice little square knot. And then you would fill this with any kind of little treat. You could fill it with some earrings, all depending on what you are having. A few Hershey Kisses would fit in there. And then we're going to take the other side after our little treat is in there. And we are going to go ahead and tie that knot again on this side. Again, you can do some little bows, however you'd like. And then we're just going to take these little guys and cut them down. Same on this side. How cute is this? Isn't that darling? And see how those flowers are heading upwards, and it sits so nicely. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of stamping. Just so you know, if you wanted to order anything, you can do so at jeanpersani.stampinup.net. Here's my March host code. And I haven't told you yet, I did tell my class today, I am going to do the butterfly Brilliance and the Brilliant Wing dies. They are sold separately or together. If you buy them together, you get the 10% off. And so you may want to grab that, and then that will get you into my April class, which will be using that. And then it'll also get you into our bingo, which we're going to be doing. So I'm just going to stamp that right there. So it says a little something for you. And again, it is in that flower, that misty moonlight color. We're going to take this guy. And we're going to stick this right in there. Line that up rather nicely there. We're going to get some little adhesives, put a couple on there. And how quickly could you roll these little guys out for a brilliant little table setting? And you can have it on this side. You can have it wherever you'd like. So I'm going to put that right there. And then you can bring your little guys up to the top if you'd like. I think that is super cute up at the top. And hold on, I will show you. Look at how cute this is. Isn't that cute? And that has no bling or anything. You can always bling it up if you'd like. But these are just adorable. So I hope you like it. Again, it was a 6x6 piece of paper. You've got 1 1/4, 3, 4 1/4, and then of course the 6 is there. And then 1 1/2 and 1 1/2. Again, you can always do them at 1. You can do them at 1 1/4, whatever size you want. So I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you're not already. And thank you guys so much. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.